My name is Nhyira Premium, and I'm glad to announce that we are offering tuition for level 1 going into the March 2026 examination. And so if you are somebody who is preparing for the ICAG examination, you are starting from level 1, certainly we have full lectures available for the March 2026 examination: financial accounting, business management and information system, introduction to management accounting, as well as business and corporate law. We are going to have lectures for all these subjects for the March 2026 examination and beyond. And so if you are preparing for the examination, you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application to complete your enrollment. This is in addition to our regular lectures already available for the level 2 as well as level 3. So what it means is that we now have full tuition packages available for both level 1, level 2, and level 3, and you can complete your enrollment to join our lectures. Now note that the level 1 lectures are regular lectures. What does that mean? It means that these are strictly just morning lectures from 10 to 1 p.m. on the average across the days. The timetable will be posted and available for you. Then level 2 and level 3, we have some in the evening sessions, weekdays, as well as some weekend sessions available. So you can send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296. You can see the number on your screen, and also call us if there are any further questions that you have, so you can join our community. Let us hold your hand, provide you with the blueprints that you need in order for you to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. The Nhyira Premium success story is a story that provides inspiration, transformation, and most importantly, gives you the blueprints that you need in order for you to go into the exam hall and pass the exam. Yes, we understand how busy you are. Yes, we know this is a stressful journey, and that is why our mentorship program is designed with you in mind, to give you access to the materials you need, the mentorship that you require, and most importantly, the thought process that is needed, so that you are not just studying for studying's sake, but you are studying to transform your mindset and go into the exam hall with the confidence that is needed, so you can write the exam with that confidence and pass the examinations. And our live lectures will be starting from the 8th of December 2025, and we are going to be having a 12 weeks session inclusive of our executive leadership masterclass, which is 2 weeks to the examination, to provide you with the guidelines that you need in order for you to go into the exam hall and pass the examination. So visit our website NhyiraPremium.com to complete your enrollment, or you can download the Nhyira Premium mobile application to complete your enrollment as well, right in the mobile application. Or better still, send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296, or give us a call, and you will be assisted to make the best decision that you can make, so that you can take your life to the next level. Let us walk this journey with you. This is our mission. This is what we exist to do, and this is what we've been doing over a decade, and we know what it takes to make you successful in your ICAG journey. Let us hold your hand, provide you with the guidelines that you need, so you can be the next success story and take your life to the next level. I'll see you during our live lectures.